Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayo adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Happy Lunar New Year to our Filipino-Chinese communities around the world. Sinyin Kuai Le. As we welcome the year of the fire horse, let us embrace this beginning with courage. This is a year of high energy and bold action, offering big rewards for those with the courage to take them. Now is the time to ignite the spirit of bayanihan and charge forward into a new year of possibilities. Together, let us strive for growth. May this year bring abundance, good health, and peace to every home. Magkaisa tayong itaguyod ang isang mas maunlad at masaganang Pilipinas para sa lahat. Gong Xi Fa Cai. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.